We always wonder how our work, our monozukuri, can bring candor to customers, and what results our work should create. Take the all-new MT-09, for example. We bring its uniquely Yamaha design to life, ensuring even the insides of the body covers are beautiful to the eye. We make each engine component lighter wherever possible, helping create Yamaha's signature handling and the distinctive character of the ride. And for the safety and confidence of its rider, quality and reliability are paramount for us. The customer is what's on our minds, and that's why we want to add those extra touches. To pioneer and apply techniques like none before. And to then pass that belief down to future generations. This is our Yamaha Motor Craftsmanship. And so do we believe. The extra touch found in each part of the production process is how our craftsmanship helps deliver candor beyond our customers' expectations. That is our monozukuri.